Need to send a project update or presentation to teammates who couldn't join the meeting? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to record your presentation with both your screen and webcam using the online webcam recorder. Before recording any meeting-related content, always make sure you have permission to record and share the material. So let's start recording. Before we start recording, let's open the presentation we'll be sharing. This could be a weekly project update, a client presentation, or a summary of recent progress. Having everything ready beforehand helps the recording go much more smoothly. Next, it's time to choose the recording resources. Enable the screen so it can capture your presentation. Then, select the microphone to capture your voice. Enable the webcam so your audience can see you while you're presenting. If you're only explaining your presentation, you can leave system audio turned off. This helps keep the recording focused on your narration. Now, let's choose what we want to record. Start by clicking the Start Recording button. Since the online webcam recorder displays the webcam in full screen, select your entire screen, then click the Share button to begin. When the Stop Sharing shows, it means the recording has already started. Click the Hide button so the toolbar will not appear on your presentation. With the recording in progress, go ahead and deliver your presentation or a brief update for your audience. After finishing the presentation, go back to the online webcam recorder and click Stop Recording. The recorder will process the video and automatically open the preview page, where you can review everything before saving the final file. Check that the presentation is clear, the webcam appears throughout the video, and your voice is easy to understand.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining. I wanted to record a quick remote update regarding our project progress for this week and outline our immediate next steps. Let's dive right into the current status.
If everything looks good, click Download to save the recording to your computer. The finished video can then be shared with teammates, uploaded to your company's workspace, or attached to an email so others can watch the presentation whenever it's convenient.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining. I wanted to record a quick remote update regarding our project progress for this week and outline our immediate next steps. Let's dive right into the current status. First, the big news. I'm happy to report that the homepage redesign has been fully completed and officially approved. A huge thank you to the design team for pulling that across the finish line. It looks fantastic.
And that's how to record a professional meeting presentation using online webcam recorder. By recording your screen, webcam, and microphone together, you can create clear presentation videos that are easy to share with your team or clients. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.